Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here. We've got a tune-up report this afternoon for Kevin in Tennessee. The Connex CX-46 Turbo N1. Kevin, got ready to go for you, bud. We cleaned up the talkback for you. Did the Toshiba voltage regulator and our tuning alignment. This radio was box stock inside, other than someone had changed out the MOSFETs and it set the gate voltages like at 4.5, so they were like a volt too high. So we got that taken care of, and let me show you what we got. 100 watt slug, RF power all the way down. There's your 5 watts. Let's roll it all the way up. And about 42. Let me show you average power swing. Low 100 watts bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. At 265, maybe 270. All right, Kevin, it's ready to come back to you, man. I appreciate it. For your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.